In this video, I'm going to teach you simple solutions on how to fix command prompt or CMD is not working nor opening here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Task Manager. You can also press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape key together on your keyboard, and in that way, you would be able to bring this Task Manager up. So first is you need to expand it. Okay, and please locate for processes, and under the processes, you need to look for Windows Command Processor. So all you need to do is you need to use your down arrow key. Okay, and by that you can find it. So it might be running here under the background processes, or it might be running under the Windows processes. Again, it is Windows Command Processor. In my case, I don't have such, but if you do, all you need to do is you need to select it, make a right click, and go with End Task. Once done, close the window and try to open your CMD again. Check if it's opening or working. However, if not, then let's move on to the second method. Before I proceed, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So the second and last method that you can do is that you need to open your file explorer. So here at the taskbar, click on it. You can also press Windows key and E key together in your keyboard, and in that way you would be able to open this one. So by that you need to proceed to this PC being placed here at the left side and go with the C drive or local disk. Once done, you need to locate for a file folder named Windows and then double tapped. And here at the Windows, you need to use your down arrow key again and just locate for this is wow 64. It is this one SYSWOW64. Okay, double tap to open. And once you've opened it, you need to proceed here at the upper center where here you'll be able to see a address bar. Just have to copy it. So by that, make a right click and click on the copy. So once you have copied the path, you need to close the window and proceed to the search bar and type for edit system environment. So once you have find it, please navigate to the right side. You can see there open. Click on that one. Okay. So let's just have to type again since it has been actually accidentally changed. So let's just have to wait again until we'll get to see that matched. Okay, so we just have to click on the open option here. And in a few moments, you would be able to open a small window called System Properties. So here at the System Properties, you would be able to be automatically be redirected to this advanced section where here you'd be able to see environment variables. Click on that one. The moment you click on it, you would be able to see two environment variables, and these are the variables or this is environment variables for your, exclusive for your user account only, which is how to fix in my case. So we just have to check it here at the start. There you can see how to fix. And the other one is a system variables and environment variables for all users. Okay, so this one is only exclusive for your user account, and this one is for all. So just have to select any of that one. In my case, I'll be going with my user account. So go with new and then set the variable name rather into path. And then here at the variable value, you need to paste the path that you have copied. So make a right click here and then you need to go with paste. And once you've pasted it, click on the OK button and there you have it. Go with OK and then click on OK once again. Once you are good, please proceed here at the button search bar and type for CMD and check if it's working or opening this time. So by that, you need to navigate to the best match and go with the run as administrator. So kindly wait until you'll get that option. Once it's here, click on it. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can proceed. So there you have that. It has been fixed this time. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.